Hello, let's install Git. Okay, I am using Linux. So let's see how to install Git. Okay, for that you have to use apt command. For that, let's type sudo apt install and Git. This is going to install the latest Git. Okay, now Git is installed. Let's check the version. So let's type git dash dash version. So we have a 2.11 version. So we can also type git and all the available options are here. Okay, now let's clear the screen. So we can also get help related to Git by typing git dash dash help, and that's how you install Git. In the next video we'll see how to use common Git commands. Thank you.